Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a rain wing from Wings of Fire. Now, if you guys have any more different Wings of Fire dragons that you would like me to draw, definitely share with me in the comments and I'll try my best to get them all drawn. But thanks for watching and I hope you guys enjoy. Now, to start off with our rain wing, we're going to begin with the eye. I want to start right here, and we're just going to begin by making a little line that goes up and down and up. Next, we'll add a little pupil in there. Starting here, we're going to make a line that comes up and down for the eyebrow. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go up and then in for the top of the head. Make a line that comes out and it's going to come down. Then I'm just going to make a couple little wavy, bumpy lines that go over and up for the mouth. Next, we'll add a little curved line for the horn. Over here, we want to make a line that goes up and then in for the other eyebrow. Then right here, we'll make a little line that goes out. We're going to bring it in, and then we're going to come up for the chin with a little line up here for the mouth. When I come out here, I'm going to go out a little farther and then up. And we'll put another little bump right there for like another little spike. Starting up here, let's draw a line that's going to come over here and that's going to come up. And then we're going to bring it right back down for the horn. And let's finish off with a little curve. Next, let's make a line that's going to come up. Bring it up to a point and then down for that other horn. Now, starting here right by the bottom of the horn, we're going to make a little line. Then we want to come out with a long, skinny, pointy line and bring it back in. We'll do another one here. And then we'll do another one right here. Then we're going to add these little curved lines in here. And we'll do one here that kind of connects the horn to this. Now, starting here, let's make a line that's going to go up. And it's going to come down here. Kind of like a little S pattern. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down and do the same thing. I'm going to make this line come out a little bit farther. And then we're going to start with the leg. So to do this, let's draw a line that goes down and then in. Make a line come out here at a diagonal. We'll draw a line that comes up to a point and then it comes back. We're going to make this line come up. And we're going to bring it up here. Let's add another line that curves up and down. Then let's make this line come up. And it's going to go out and then up here. Because the legs are always kind of attached to the wings. Now, once we're up here, let's make a line that hooks down for a big claw, and then it's going to come around. And then let's make a long line that's going to come down to a point, and we'll put a little bump on the end. Next, let's make a nice long skinny line that's going to come right to here. And I kind of curved it down just to make it fit a little better. Then let's make another long line that comes out to a point. Make it come up and another little bump. Then we'll make a nice long skinny line. Next, we'll make a line that's going to come down here. Long, skinny line that comes out and then back. And then a little line that's going to come down. Next, we'll make a line that goes up and down. Make a line that goes out and down. Then we'll just connect it here with a curve. Starting here, we're going to make a line that goes up, and it's going to come down to here. And then right where we have this spot here, we're going to make that next leg. So let's make a line that goes down and then in. It's going to come down again. Make a little line that comes up and down with a point, and then it's going to come back. Make a line that curves up with a point. We'll draw a line that comes up. And then a line that comes back here. Now, once we're done with that, let's add another little line that goes up and down for another claw. Now, I didn't leave a ton of room for the tail. I kind of got a little bit too big with the head over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make the tail a little bit smaller. I'm going to kind of wrap it around a few times. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw this line out. And I'm just going to curl this line up a little bit. Then I'm going to make this come to a point, and I'm going to just bring this right around, and we're going to bring it up to here. Then we're just going to bring this line right to here to connect it. Now, here's our basic drawing of our rain wing. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details. So let's start with some of these spikes back here. They're going to have these small little spikes that kind of look like little mini shark fins. You want to draw these all the way down the neck and the back. And then we're going to put these right along the tail. So I'm just going to continue these all the way across the tail. Now, after I have that, I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve right to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to follow the shape of the neck, and that's going to come right to here. Then we want to add these little curved lines across here to give it like a scaled pattern. I'm going to add some more of these curved lines right down here. Now right here, we're going to add a curved line with an extra line for the claws. And then over here, let's draw a line that comes down, and then we're going to come down here for another leg. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go down, in, and down again. Then we'll add an extra claw or two behind it. On the legs here, we're going to make these kind of bumpy little lines to kind of show a little bit of pattern on our rain wing. And we're going to bring this up to about here on the wing. We'll do the same thing on the back leg, just these kind of long, kind of bumpy lines. We're also going to make a line that kind of runs down the length of the tail with some more of these little lines to kind of make it look like it's got that scaled snake pattern. The rain wing is also going to have some circles coming down the neck, so we want to add these little circles. They're going to go down the leg and this leg as well. We're also going to add some coming down the tail, and we'll stop right about there. We'll add a little curved line for the hooks or the claws on the ends of the wings. And then right here, let's make a line that's going to come up. It's going to hook down, and then it's going to come back here for another wing. We'll add a little curved line right here. We'll add another little hook and a little line that curves up. We'll make a line down and another line that comes down, and we'll make a little triangle shape there. Now for the face, I'm going to make a little line that comes down. Then I'm going to draw a little line here and a little line that comes right around the eye. We'll add a few teeth in here and a little line that comes up. I'm also going to add some quick little lines onto the horns. And there you go. There is your drawing of a RAINWING from Wings of Fire. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.